Hello friends, welcome to my IELTS mentor, and today's cue card is describe a picture or photograph in your home or room that you like. मीन्स आपको अपने घर में रखी हुई कोई भी फोटोग्राफ के बारे में बात करनी है, और अगर आपके घर में नहीं है और है लेकिन आप उसे ज़्यादा डिस्क्राइब नहीं कर सकते हैं या वोकेबुलरी की प्रॉब्लम हो रही है, तो आप अज्यूम करके भी बात कर सकते हैं. इन विच यू कैन इंक्लूड व्हाट इज़ इट अबाउट, मीन्स किस बारे में है, फैमिली फ़ोटो है, पर्सनल फ़ोटो है, फ्रेंड्स के साथ ली हुई फ़ोटो है और डेकोरेटिव फ़ोटोज़ है. आप इसमें से कोई भी इंक्लूड कर सकते हैं. आफ्टर दैट, वेयर इज़ इट इन योर होम, मीन्स इन हॉल, बेडरूम और ड्राइंग रूम. हाउ यू गोट इट, मीन्स आपने खुद ने बनवाई हुई फ़ोटो है या आपको गिफ्ट में मिली हुई फ़ोटो है. वाई यू लाइक इट, मीन्स इसमें ऐसा तो क्या है कि वो आपको इतनी पसंद है, मीन्स आपको उसकी अच्छी क्वालिटीज़ बतानी है, लाइक मटेरियल्स, फीचर्स, कलर्स, शेप, साइज, एवरीथिंग. ये सब आपके लिए सजेशन है जो आप यूज़ कर सकते हैं. अगर आप यूज़ करना नहीं चाहते हैं और आप अपने तरीके से अपना आंसर प्रिपेयर करना चाहते हैं तो कर सकते हैं. और मैंने यहाँ पे मेरे पेरेंट्स की फ़ोटो के बारे में बात की हुई है, बट उसके पहले हम वोकेबलरीज एंड इडियम्स देख लेते हैं. एंड आईएलटीएस में अच्छे बैंड के लिए आपको 2 से 3 इडियम्स यूज़ करने ही चाहिए. फर्स्ट इज़ एलिगेंट कॉस्ट्यूम्स, मीन्स स्टाइलिश कॉस्ट्यूम्स और क्लॉथ्स. कैनवास, a type of strong cloth for painting a picture. Vibrant means bright and strong. Fade resistant means something that prevent the fade. हिप्स ऑफ फोटोज़ और समथिंग, मीन्स हिप्स ऑफ समथिंग वो एक फ्रेज़ है. यहाँ पे समथिंग की जगह पे आप कोई भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं, लाइक फ़ोटोज़, मटेरियल्स, प्राइस. लेकिन मैंने यहाँ पे फ़ोटोज़ की बात की हुई है, सो मैंने यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है कि हिप्स ऑफ फोटोज़ मीन्स लॉट्स ऑफ फोटोज़. आई कैचिंग मीन्स वेरी अट्रैक्टिव. एज प्राउड एज पंच मीन्स टू फील अ ग्रेट सेंस ऑफ प्राउड. आफ्टर दैट, ऑल कॉइन्स हैव 2 साइड्स, मीन्स ये आप वहाँ पे यूज़ कर सकते हैं जहाँ पे आपको एडवांटेजेस एंड डिसएडवांटेजेस दोनों के बारे में बात करनी हो. मीन्स यू कैन नॉट गेट एनी गुड थिंग विदाउट एनी बैड थिंग. So let's see our sample answer. Well, my all family members are fond of clicking photos in elegant costumes and at different places, as it is the best way to preserve our golden memories of life. But we mostly either keep our photos in mobile phone or laptop. And even I have also heaps of pics in my mobile which were captured at different occasion. But here I would like to talk about a special and one and only photo frame which is hanged on the wall of bedroom of my parents, and which is very special photograph for us because I and my siblings gifted it to our parents on their 25th wedding anniversary. And yes, it took too much time to decide because we were confused that what can we give to them who gave us everything. But after thinking a lot, I came to decision that as there is not any single photo of their wedding, I decided to give them a photo frame of their memories of 25 years. It is very big photo frame which covers 2/3 portion of the wall. In that frame, there are many well organized photographs so that they can relive their whole golden memories in a single photo frame. It is rectangular in shape and there is heart of roses in the middle of frame, in which the great memories of 25 years togetherness of Mr. and Mrs. XYZ is written. मीन्स यहाँ पे आप मिस्टर एंड मिसिज XYZ की जगह पे अपना खुद का सरनेम यूज़ कर सकते हैं. Everyone who have seen the frame gave good compliments not only for frame but also specially for the middle portion because the heart of middle part is really an eye catching. And yes, how can I forget to tell you that it is not a normal photograph. It is unique because it is made on canvas. As canvas prints are vibrant and fade resistant, I decided to make a canvas photo for long lasting memories. I must say that whenever I go to their bedroom and see that frame, I really feel proud of my choice. And my mom also told me once that they both also feel happy and as proud as Punch. So it is the ultimate center of happiness of all of us. That is why it is my favorite photo frame. After that, let's see our follow ups. First is, do Indian people like to take photos of themselves? Answer, well, I think it is the matter of hobby and it varies from person to person. Or I can say that it depends on the age group. Because I noticed that mostly elders don't like to take photos, whereas taking photos of themselves like selfies is the most interesting thing and very common among the young generation of India. Second question, what kinds of devices do people like to use for taking photos these days? As per my perspective, it depends on condition. In normal days, people use their cell phones. However, for any special occasions such as marriage function, parties, or any family get together, people normally like to use digital camera. And yes, nowadays the trend of photo shooting is increased, and for that purpose, people also like to use camera. Third, why do some people like to delete photos? Normally, people delete their most of photos whose clarity is low because they use the storage of mobile without any purpose. Apart from this, I think some people also delete their good photos just to forget some memories of life which they consider as bad memories. Next is, why do some people like to keep photos? Some people like to document their photos to preserve their golden memories from which they are going through so that they can remember and can be happy later in life by seeing those photos. And some people keep their photos just to upload in social site as well. After that, has the way people take photos changed? Yes, definitely the way people take photos has changed. In past, people had only option of roll camera, so there was a limitation of taking photos. However, in present, with the help of digital camera, people can click photos as much as they want. And in addition, nowadays every individual have smartphone, so it is also a very helpful gadget for photography. Next question is, what are the advantages and disadvantages of taking photos by smartphone? And answer, well, as I said earlier, everyone has a smartphone nowadays, so it is a good gadget from which we can take photos at any time and at anywhere. However, as all coins have two sides, there are some disadvantages. For example, photos preserve more storage of phone, and also the photos clicked by phone have less clarity as compared to camera. Next is, do you think photographers are artists? Yes, of course, photographers are artists because they also need skill to take good photos. They also have to focus on angles of taking photos, just as painters. And anyone cannot take good photos like a professional photographer. So I think they are artists. Next is, what are the benefits of learning painting for children? Painting is an art which have lots of benefits for children, such as they can express their thoughts running in mind and their feelings without saying anything, and also they can develop their grip of perfection and regularity for any task of their life. Last question is, can anyone become a famous artist through hard work? Yes, definitely. As hard work is the important key of success, and by working hard, anyone can get good position in their life. Same as anyone can become a famous and successful artist through hard work, and yes, I think also by smart work. So, friends, this was the sample answer with their follow ups, and I hope you will like it. Thank you.